Hi there. Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to bring your characters to life with funny movements. Get ready to have some fun. First, visit the website at sketch.metademolab.com. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button to begin the fun. Upload your character's image by clicking the Upload button. Remember to remove the background from your image beforehand for easier masking. After uploading, click Next and agree to the terms and conditions. This will find your character within the image. Click Next, it will select your character here. If it's not completely selected, no worries. You can use the pencil and eraser tools to adjust the selection perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click Next to proceed. Now, it's time to identify the joints of your character. Adjust the points to match the joints accurately. This will allow your character to move realistically. Click Next when you're done, and voila! Watch your character come to life with hilarious movements. Choose the movement you like the most, whether it's jumping, walking, dancing, or even some silly gestures. Once you've made your selection, click Download to save your animated character. Now you can use it in your videos, social media posts, and more. Give it a try yourself, and let your creativity run wild. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.